Welcome back to Benny's Custom Works, proudly supported by Sparesbox and Valvoline. Today we're out at Jamboree, which is a drag racing meet at Sydney Dragway. We've been running the Cresta all day. We've already had a few dramas, but we'll get to those in a minute. That's the timing change. Yeah, I thought so. Yeah, it's got mechanical tension now. Kind of problem.
Oh no.
Ah, yeah, rocket. Oh, that's good.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, that's mad.
You got rocket?
No. To this point, we've had a little bit of a mixed success. We were chasing a miss pretty much all morning, and we've actually been changing things like spark plugs, coils, injectors, and we found a broken rocker. So this is something that we've never experienced before, but Omar, who's behind us in that yellow Mustang, they've been breaking these rockers for quite a while. So we've now christened that as well. So we'll definitely be looking to upgrade these things in the future, but for now, Omar's actually helped us to switch a replacement one of these into it, and we're about to go out and make a pass. Hey guys, it's been a while since we've done one of our Patreon draws, so we thought we'd get a quick one out there, and then we're going to start rolling them out pretty consistently over about a 5 or 6 week window period. This particular giveaway, we've brought you guys some Haltech and Raceworks gear, so we've got some vice jaws, a spanner set, which is perfect for assembling most of your AN lines, an olive installer for Teflon lines as well. We've got some Haltech gloves, we've got a Haltech cap. I wear that one all the time, that's my favorite. That's actually one of mine that I chucked in. We've got a Raceworks flag and some stickers. So we're quickly going to draw that one straight up. Drawing one out of the bag. Ha! Robert Reed. Robert, we'll be in touch. We're going to be sending this one straight out to you. Thanks for your support. Thanks to all of our Patreons as well. The next Patreon giveaway, however, is going to be a bit of a special one. We finally received our YouTube plaque, our 100,000 sub plaque, and we actually found out we could get more than one. So we've got one for ourselves, and one lucky Patreon is going to receive our second 100,000K plaque. So we're going to be drawing this one in about 5 or 6 weeks. So anyone who's not a Patreon, feel free to check it out. Obviously, anyone who is a Patreon who's in our giveaway tier is going to be eligible for this giveaway as well. So if you want to check it out, please jump onto our Patreon. We'll leave a link in the description. Just did 118 and a 60. Well, we've pretty much done and dusted Jambo for another year. Massive thanks to the guys at Jamboree, thanks to Sydney Dragway, thanks to Maddie and Shannon, and also to Gian for helping me out today. Thanks to the guys at Empire, they've helped me out as well. We actually PB'd with the car today. We went 8.16, previously we were going 8.18, so it's not much faster, but it's faster, so I'm going to take that. We've also PB'd in the 60 foot. We've gone a lot quicker in the 60 foot. We previously had the best of 121 and we've gone a 118 today. So super stoked with actually that outcome more than the PB overall. I believe we've also PB'd to the 8th, but I don't have the data for that. So we'll review that later. Massive thanks also to Sparesbox for their continued support. BCW5 on checkout if you are on Sparesbox. Thanks to Valvoline. Thanks to Haltech. Again, thanks to Matty for his wizardry on the Haltech. He's been helping me with a lot of the chassis side of the ECU, like the torque management. We haven't actually used torque management today, but now we've got a really nice drive shaft curve log of our 816 pass. So we can, or Matty can actually build a map for torque management so that we can try and target an 81 pass on a more challenging surface. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.